Kabanata 8, Friends. I went to a balcony near the exit. Hindi okupado ang mga balkonahe dahil abala ang lahat sa pakikihalubilo, kaya walang nakapansin na pumasok ako sa isa. I was then shocked when I saw Achilles on the balcony alone. Nakahilig siya sa barandilya nito at kung sa loob ng ballroom titingnan, hindi siya kita dahil sa kortina. He's dressed like the servers in a button-down shirt and black slacks. They were supposed to have a ribbon on it, but it seems like he's removed it. In fact, the first two buttons of his button-down shirts were unbuttoned. "You're here," I said in a shaky voice, about to break down from the drama I've just gone through. Napatuwid siya sa pagkakatayo, gulat din nang pumasok ako sa balkonahe. I saw his eyes surveyed my look very fast. "Ka-be-break ko lang," he said. Pinalis ko ang luha sa mga mata ko. He looked at me intensely because of that. I looked away because I didn't want to be seen whenever I break down. I feel like crying is a sign of weakness, or even showing any feeling in general is a sign of weakness. "I didn't see you around this whole time. Nandito ka lang pala." I chuckled to hide what I was feeling a while ago. Hindi siya nagsalita. Lumapit ako sa barandilya at pinagmasdan ng kabuuan ng ginagawa pang hotel sa parting iyon. Sa gilid ng mga mata ko, alam kong nakatitig siya sa akin. Hindi ako makatingin sa kanya dahil alam kong tinitimbang niya ako base sa nakita niya pagkapasok ko. Nasa kusina ako halos at minsan na lumalabas kapag sinabi ng supervisor, si Achilles. That explains it. "Ayos ka lang ba?" Achilles asked. I rolled my eyes at how predictable his question was. Kaya imbis na sagutin siya, inunahan ko na sa mas masayang balita. I faced him to show a perfect smirk without the tears I sported a while ago. "There will be no grand announcement about my engagement with Vince Hidalgo. Nagkausap na kami," I said proudly. His eyebrows shot up as he watched me intently. Hindi naman ako makatingin ng diretso sa kanya. Still smiling, I continued. I said, "I don't want this arranged relationship, this whole thing. Buti pareho kami kaya hindi mahirap tanggihan. There will be no need to announce it today since he's left, I guess. And we're both sure about not being each other's fiancé." Tumango si Achilles, halatang naninimbang pa rin sa asal ko. I rolled my eyes again. "Iyan lang ang reaction mo? Akala ko ba iniisip mo hindi ko kayang gawin dahil marami nagkakandara pa kay Vince Hidalgo?" I chuckled to make it lighter. His lips twisted. "Masaya ka ba sa desisyon mo?" My smile faded at his question. Bakit niya natanong? Siguro ay iniisip niya na kaya ako pumasok dito sa balkonahe na umiiyak dahil malungkot ako na tinanggihan ako ni Vince. "Of course, yes. I told you I don't like him." Iritado kong sinabi. Nagtaas ng isang kilay si Achilles. "Bakit mukhang malungkot ka nang pumasok dito?" I sighed and rolled my eyes all over again. "Malungkot ka ba dahil hindi mo inasahan na ayaw rin siya sa'yo?" "Oh, please!" Napalakas ang sabi ko roon. "It's just ridiculous of him to think that way." "Hindi, I have other reasons," I said. Natili ang isang kilay niya nakataas. "Sigurado kang hindi ka nanghihinayang?" That made me look at him. Kung kanina hindi ko siya masulyapan, ngayon pinilit ko siyang tingnan dahil sa nakakairitang sinabi. His lips were twisted, as if hiding a smile when I looked at him with an annoyed expression. "Nanghihinayang? You really don't believe me?" Nagkibit siya ng balikat at tuluyan nang ipinakita ang ngisi. Nilagay niya sa bulsa ang dalawang kamay at pinilig ang ulo sa kabila. "Ano pa ba ang ibang rason bakit bigo ka pagkatapos mong tanggihan ang engagement?" I gritted my teeth. I'm pissed, especially now that he looked playful. "Nagbago ba ang isip mo sa inyo ngayong nagkita kayo?" "Of course not!" I cut him off, more pissed by the minute. He smirked more. I really didn't want to tell him more about personal things, but I'm not going to let him believe that I'm regretful about my decision. "Pinagalitan ako ni Mama kaya malungkot ako kanina." "No, I'm not even sad," I lied. "I'm more pissed than sad." He still looked playful, as if he didn't believe me, kaya kinailangan kong sabihin ng buo. At nang nagdesisyon ako na sabihin sa kanya iyon, agad nawala ang nakadagang bigat sa damdamin ko. Pinagalitan ako kasi sinabi kong tinanggihan ko si Vince. I sighed and looked away. Nilibang ko ang sarili ko sa tanawin habang nagsasalita. Iyon na nga lang daw ang makakapagpasaya sa parents ko, sinira ko pa. I can't believe that I'm being pressured that way. Of course, I want them to be happy and proud with me, but is that the only way to do it? I said it like it didn't matter even if it did. Nagulat ako nung tumabi ng kaunti si Achilles sa akin. Lumapit siya sa barandilya at pinagmasdan din ang tanawin na tinitingnan ko. I looked at him, tall beside me, watching the progress of our hotel. Besides, I continued and looked at the hotel again. Hindi ko gusto na pinapangunahan ako sa mga ganitong bagay. Ako ang dapat na nagdidesisyon sa kung sino ang gusto kong boyfriend o mapapangasawa. It's a lifetime thing. We can't just let other people, not even parents, decide for us. Naalala ko ang sinabi ni Achilles kaya bumaling ulit ako sa kanya. Hindi ako nanghihinayang kay Vince. Kahit pagwapo at mayaman siya, I still think we don't click and we won't. I don't feel anything for him. It's my parents that I'm sad about. Baka gusto lang nila ang makakabuti para sa'yo. Si Achilles. Bumaling ulit ako sa kanya. This time, I crossed my arms. It seems like he doesn't agree with my decision. If he has feelings for me, he must be happy that I rejected that. Pero mukha pang kino-question niya iyon. Makabubuti? Ang alin? Ang pangunahan ako? Umiling si Achilles at humarap na rin sa akin. Baka iniisip ng mga magulang mo na mas bubuti ang buhay mo kung kayo ni Vince. Paano bubuti ang buhay ko kung kami ni Vince? Dahil mayaman siya? Why? Can't I earn myself? And besides, I'm rich too, so why should I rely in someone else's money for my life to be better? Hindi sa ganoon, pero baka rin mabuting tao siya. Well, yes, maybe, but that doesn't guarantee us a good relationship. Dahil pwedeng hindi naman kaya ang isa't isa. Gaano man kabait ang isang tao kung hindi kayo magkakasundo, hindi kayo magkakasundo. His brow shot up again. Pero hindi mo pa naman nasusubukan kung magkakasundo nga ba kayo. I glared at him this time. Why does it sound like you want me paired up with Vince Hidalgo? Nagulat siya sa iritado kong tono. Hindi naman sa ganoon. Kanina ka pa ah, parang gusto mo pang kami ang magkatuluyan ni Vince? He chuckled and shook his head. Iniisip ko lang kung ano ang dahilan ng parents mo para pilitin ka. Hindi naman siguro nila gustong ipakasal ka kay Vince sa walang dahilan. Siyempre, may mahalagang dahilan sila kaya nila gusto yon. Ano pa ang sobrang importanteng rason para tanggalan ako ng karapatang pumili ng lalaki makakasama ko habang buhay? Kung pera lang naman, gaano ba ka-importante iyon para hindi nila isipin ang nararamdaman ko? He licked his lips and slowly became serious. I sighed. We're not poor, so if it's money, it doesn't make sense. If it's his attitude, then why can't they let me find a person who's good and who will match me instead? Bakit kailangan iyong pinili nila? Siguro naisip lang ng parents mo ang nakabubuti para sa'yo at hindi na naisip ang gusto mo. Kahit sino magulang gustong mapabuti ang anak. So, you agree with my parents? I snapped. Umiling siya at humalakhak. I don't agree with your parents, pero iniisip ko lang na makabubuti sa'yo ang dahilan nila. Hindi ka naman siguro pipilitin at sasadyaing saktan ng mga magulang mo para lang sa wala. Nilingon ko siya. Alam kong may punto naman ang sinabi niya pero pakiramdam ko, iba ang mga magulang ko. Both of them don't have time for us, and when they do, it doesn't end well, gaya ngayon. I'd like to think that parents really do care a lot for their children, na minsan hindi namin maintindihan iyon pero ginagawa lang nila ang mga ginagawa nila para sa ikabubuti namin. Pero minsan din, iniisip ko na hindi iyon para sa lahat ng magulang. Some parents just care more about their children's feelings than others. I looked at Achilles and realized something. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang relasyon niya sa kanyang mga magulang pero siguro ay maganda. Kung ganyan kalawak ang pananaw niya, siguro nga maayos ang relasyon niya sa parents niya. How about you? May mga nagawa na ba ang parents mo na ayaw mo pero ginawa mo pa rin dahil tingin mo para iyon sa ikabubuti mo? He trailed off. Wala? Gusto kong matawa. Maybe you give my parents the benefit of the doubt because your mother and father are good to you. Bumaling siya sa akin at tipid ng umiti. Si mama lang, hindi namin kasama ang papa ko. Aniya. My lips parted. I wanted to blurt out that I'm sorry but he smiled more. Hindi ko kilala si Papa, hindi rin sinabi ni Mama sa akin kaya napakurap-kurap naman ako. Somehow, that idea kind of fits our situation. Desisyon ng mama niya na huwag sabihin kung sino ang papa niya. He must have wanted to know or meet him, but do you want to know? He smiled again, this time mischievously, like he was hiding the drama about it with a grin. Siyempre. Ngumuso ako at bumaling sa tanawin bago ibinalik sa kanya ang tingin. If you don't mind, is there a reason why your mom won't tell you about him? Umiling si Achilles. Hindi niya rin sinabi, ayaw niyang pag-usapan. I can only imagine how eager he is to know his father. Kung ako ang nasa kalagayan niya, baka pa nagalit na ako kay mama kung may tinatago siyang ganoon kalaking bagay. Gusto kong mahanap ang papa ko, o malaman man lang ang pangalan niya. Pero dati pa man, ayaw nang pag-usapan ni mama. Kahit gaano ko kagusto iyon, sa huli, tingin ko mas mabuting respetuhin ko ang desisyon ni mama. I'm sorry to hear that. He chuckled. Matagal na, kaya ayos lang. But for sure, until now you want to know your father? He nodded. Madam! Napatalon ako sa tawag ni mama. Papasok na sana siya ngayon sa balkonahe. Hindi maganda ang usapan namin kanina at alam kong galit siya sa akin pero hindi nakatakas ang mas matindi niyang timpla ngayon. Anong ginagawa niyo rito? She roared and immediately pulled my wrist. Hinatak niya ako palayo kay Achilles. Hiningal siya sa iritasyon at kitang-kita ko matinding galit sa mga mata niya para kay Achilles. Kanina ka pa namin hinahanap ng papa mo. Bakit ka nandito? At anong ginagawa mo rito? The last question was directed to Achilles and it was said with so much intensity. Nagpapahinga. You are a waiter here. You should know your place. My mom's word cut like a knife even to me. Gusto ko na siyang sagutin sa huling sinabi niya. I was even surprised that Achilles looked calm in front of us after what my mother said. Where is Maria Emilia, Alondra? My father's voice boomed behind us. Bumaling si mama sa labas at natanaw namin na palapit na nga si papa. Pasensya na madam, nagpapahinga lang po ako. Babalik na ako sa trabaho. Si Achilles at umambang nga alis. Achilles, I called. Achilles! My father called too when he saw him. Natigilan si Achilles nang nagkasalubong sila ni papa. Si Achilles palabas doon, si papa papasok. Magandang gabi, Admiral. Achilles greeted politely. Maiwan ko na po kayo. Nagtatrabaho ka rito? Si Papa sabay baling kay Mama. Just for this event, Dolfo. He is not a regular waiter here. Papa looked at Achilles and smiled. Achilles politely tried to excuse himself but Papa continued. Kamusta ka na? Nag-aaral ka pa ba? Si Papa na sinubukan pang sundan si Achilles palabas ng balkonahe. Sinubukan ko ring sundan ang dalawa pero muling hinawakan ni Mama ang palapulsuhan ko. Where are you going? She said in a small but intentional tone. Lalabas dito, Mama, I answered sarcastically. Why are you with that boy? She asked in a same tone. Nagkataon lang na nagkita kami rito. And what is wrong with being with him when is he the reason why you don't want to be engaged with Vince? Ilang beses niya na ba itong natanong sa akin? And why is she pushing it when there is nothing between me and Achilles? I said kaming dalawa ni Vince ang may ayaw sa isa't isa, Mama. Kahit pagustuhin ko si Vince, hindi pa rin kami pwede dahil ayaw niya rin naman sa akin. He is a man of honor. He is true to his words and he will always obey his parents. Kaya anong pinagsasabi mo na ayaw niya? Even if he doesn't like you, he will follow his parents' request and marry you. Ikaw, Tom, pinahihirapan pa ang sitwasyon. If you know that that's the case, then do you want me to marry him? Will I really be happy to be married to someone who will only do it to please his parents at hindi naman talaga ako mahal, Mama? Napalayo na si Papa at Achilles. I even saw how Achilles politely left Papa. Si Papa naman ay tanaw si Achilles na paalis na sa harapan niya. Sinundan niya ito ng tingin kahit pahumalo na ito sa maraming waiter. Mama looked so angry. Bago pa man siya makapagsalita ulit, nagmarcha na ako paalis doon. Ayaw ko magtuloy-tuloy palalo ang away namin lalo na sa mismong lugar. I went out of the venue even when my mother is calling me from behind. Dire-diretso ang lakad ko paalis ng hotel. Gabi na at nagmamadali kong nilakad ang daanan galing sa hotel premises patungong mansyon. I was greeted by our house helps but I didn't greet back as I marched up the stairs and inside my room, annoyed of the whole party fiasco. Nahiga agad ako sa kama. A while ago, I cried out of frustration, pero ngayong mag-isa na ako sa kwarto, akala ko iyak ako lalo pero hindi. Nawala na ang naunang naramdaman. Maybe the talk with Achilles diverted the pain I felt from my mother's words. Bumuntong hininga ko at unti-unting bumangon. Pumunta ako sa tukador at naupo roon. I removed my earrings one by one as I stared into the mirror, my face lit by the yellow light of the window inside my dark room. Dahan-dahan ko ring tinanggal ang pagkakaayos ng buhok at ang makeup. I heard a knock on my door. Umirap ako habang tinatanaw ang madilim na pintuan. May I come in, madam? I heard my father's voice. Umirap ako at pagod na sinagot iyon. Yeah, sure, I said and continued to wipe the makeup away. Hindi na ako nag-abala sa mga ilaw. I let my dark room be as my father entered it. I can hear my mother's voice outside, reprimanding something to our house help. Umirap ulit ako at bumaling sa salamin. My father's reflection behind me looked calm and peaceful. He is tall and bulky man, much like my older brother Ramos, sporting an old hairstyle of mullet that suited his face even up to this day. Nakaitim na coat and tie siya, hindi pa nagugusot kahit abala sa party kanina pa lang. If you're here to get mad at me because I didn't entertain Vince Hidalgo, then I'll just repeat what I said to Mama. Sabi ko, pagod na sa buong araw na sagutan namin ni Mama. My father flashed a peaceful smile behind me. Naglakad din siya palapit hanggang sa ramdam ko na siya sa likod ko. I'm not going to do that, he said. I sighed and still continued what I was doing. I'm sorry if we are forcing you to do the things you obviously don't want to. Tingin ng mama mo, iyon ang makakabuti para sa'yo. Na ano, magpakasal sa isang Hidalgo kahit hindi niya ako mahal at hindi ko rin siya mahal? Is money really more important than happiness? He smiled a bit again. Vince is a good man. I am sure he will try his best to make his girlfriend or wife happy, despite the nature of relationship. I'm disappointed. Kahit na inasahan ko na naman na ganito rin ang sasabihin ni Papa, gusto ko pa rin na ibang opinion niya. But he trailed off. Napaangat ako ng tingin sa kanya. The little hope lit up inside of me. Maybe he doesn't share my mother's sentiments when it comes to this. I'm happy that you took a stand, he continued. Natili ang tingin ko kay Papa. He leaned to kiss my head before he smiled again. Pero sana maintindihan mo ang mama mo at kung bakit tingin niya makabubuti ito para sa'yo. We are a product of an arranged marriage, Iha. She must think that you will be in a better hands if she chooses the man for you. Alam ko na naman iyon noon pa, but then I always think that my parents don't count. After all, my mother loved my father even before they entered their arranged relationship. Hindi po kasali ang sa inyo ni Mama kasi mahal niyo naman na po ang isa't isa bago pa kayo nagpakasal. So, it doesn't count, I said. My father's eyes watched me darkly as I continued. Maybe, if I get arranged to someone I like, I won't complain too. But I don't like Vince and he doesn't like me. Sure, he will agree to his parents but he won't be happy. And if I agree with you, hindi rin ako magiging masaya. Natili ang titig ni Papa sa akin habang nagsasalita ako. In time, we won't be happy with our lives. Kayo ni Mama, pareho namang masaya dahil mahal ninyo ang isa't isa. Can't I be arranged to someone I love instead? I won't complain if that's the case. Sumilay ang ngiti sa labi ni Papa at pinilig ang ulo sa kabila. Bakit Maria Emilia? Do you have someone in mind right now? Kinabahan bigla sa tanong ni Papa, agad ang pag-iling ko. Wala po, but I'm just saying that it will be easier if I'm going to be paired to someone I love. Gaya sa nangyari sa inyo. Then maybe, if in time you'll have someone in mind, tell me, so we can pair you up with that boy instead. He teased. Umirap ako pero hindi na napigilan ang ngiti. Bumuntong hininga si Papa at bahagyang naupo sa tabi ko. Be patient with your mother. Know that she only wants what's best for you. Hindi man kayo nagkakasundo ngayon, pero kalaunan maintindihan mo rin siya. Gusto ko magprotesta. Parang hirap na hirap pa rin akong intindihin iyon pero hindi ko maipagkakaila na kahit paano na-appreciate ko na pinag-usapan namin to ni Papa. Maybe if you convince her to just wait for me to fall in love bago ako ireto sa lalaki, then I can go on for years without fighting with her. Papa chuckled. I'll try, but you know Alondra, Iha. Umirap at bumuntong hininga ako sa huli. Alam ang ibig niyang sabihin. Kaibigan mo si Achilles? Si Papa, pagkatapos ng ilang sandali. I nodded. Classmates po kami sa school. He nodded and smiled at my reflection on the mirror. Mabait na bata yon, masipag din. Opo. I trailed up, remembering my mother's treatment. Hindi man matagal ang interaksyon nila ni Achilles sa nagdaang mga pagkakataon at kanina, pero parang ramdam ko na ayaw ni Mama rito. O siguro dahil tingin ni Mama, gusto ko si Achilles. Mama thinks I like Achilles. I don't. We're just friends, I said. Papa nodded. Kaya masama ang tungo niya rito. She thinks he's the reason why I rejected Vince. Is he? Papa asked in a playful tone. Umiling ako at bumaling sa kanya. We're just friends. Hindi ko siya gusto. Ganoon din ba ang tingin ni Achilles sa'yo? Lito ako sa tanong kaya nagtagal muli ang tingin ko sa kanya. Kaibigan lang at hindi ka rin ba niya gusto? I stopped when I realized I know exactly the answer to that. Apo, kaibigan lang ang turingan namin. Sabay iwas ko ng tingin.